Hi, everyone. Today we're going to discuss how to boost your metabolism naturally. And the best part about this is that it's backed by science. So let's dive right into it. First off, what is metabolism? Well, it's the set of processes in your body that convert food and drinks that you consume into energy. It's why if you eat more calories than your body needs, you gain weight. Your body will store the excess energy as fat. On the other hand, if you eat less, your body will use up its stored energy and you'll lose weight. So when people want to lose weight, they often try to do it by reducing their caloric intake. But what if there was a way to speed up your metabolism so you could burn more calories even if you were eating the same amount of food? That would make losing weight a lot easier, right? Well, there are ways to do this and today we'll share 8 of them with you. Number 1. Drink green tea. Green tea has been shown to slightly boost metabolism due to its high concentration of catechins, a type of antioxidant. One study found that drinking green tea may help increase the number of calories burned by up to 4 to 5%. Another study found that people who drank green tea 3 times per day for 12 weeks increased their resting metabolic rate by an average of 3.5% compared to those who didn't drink any green tea. Number 2. Spicy foods. Capsaicin, the compound that makes spicy foods hot, has been shown to temporarily speed up your metabolism. A review published in 2014 found that eating spicy foods can increase the number of calories you burn by 10% for up to 3 hours afterward. The recommended amount of capsaicin to achieve this effect is between 2 and 4 milligrams. You can get this amount from eating about half a jalapeno pepper. Number 3. Cold showers. When you take a cold shower, your body works hard to keep your core temperature at 98.6 degrees Fahrenheit or 37 degrees Celsius. This causes you to shiver, which increases the amount of energy your body burns. One study found that shivering for 2 hours can burn up to 500 calories. So if you want to boost your metabolism, try taking cold showers every morning. Number 4. Protein. Protein takes more energy to digest than carbs or fat, so it can temporarily speed up your metabolism. This is called the thermic effect of food and it can raise your metabolic rate by 10 to 35% after eating a meal. To maximize this effect, eat plenty of protein-rich foods like chicken, fish, beans, lentils and quinoa. Number 5. Stay hydrated. Drinking water can help you burn calories, too. Studies have found that drinking water can temporarily boost your metabolic rate by 3 to 5%. And drinking cold water can have an even greater impact because your body will burn additional calories to bring the water up to room temperature. So stay hydrated and drink plenty of water throughout the day to help boost your metabolism. Number 6. Sleep well. If you don't get enough sleep, your metabolic rate slows down. This is because sleep deprivation raises levels of the stress hormone cortisol, which converts muscle into sugar and fat. It also messes with your hormones that regulate appetite, making you hungrier the next day. So if you want to boost your metabolism, aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Number 7. Manage stress. Chronic stress raises cortisol levels, which can lead to weight gain and a slower metabolism. So it's important to find healthy ways to manage stress, such as yoga, meditation, deep breathing exercises and spending time in nature. These activities can help reduce cortisol levels and promote a healthy metabolism. And number 8. Strength training. Muscle mass improves your resting metabolic rate because it requires energy to maintain itself. On the other hand, as you lose muscle mass, your metabolic rate slows down. So it's just important to lift weights and do strength training exercises twice a week to maintain and build muscle mass. This will help you burn more calories even if you're not working out. These are just a few simple tips that you can use to help boost your metabolism. If you follow these tips consistently, you may be able to burn hundreds of extra calories each day without even trying. And if you combine them with a healthy diet and regular exercise, you'll be able to reach your weight loss goals much faster. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button and subscribe for more content. Have a great day.